everyone. I am Ayushi Jain from School of Law, Modi University, working as a legal internal access Q&A company. Today, in this video, I am describing about recent judgment by the Supreme Court under Section S. Shankar versus the Election Commission of India. In this, the Supreme Court stated that the constitutional mandate to conduct election in time-bound manner cannot be defended. The Supreme Court sets September 15 deadline for the Tamil Nadu local body polls. The Supreme Court on Wednesday directed the State Election Commission in Tamil Nadu to conduct the entire process of the local body election in the 9 newly carved districts by the 15 September 2021, including the publication and notification of election schedule and the result of the election. A bench of Justice Hemant Gupta and Anirudh Bose was hearing the miscellaneous application in the period where the Supreme Court has previously directed that the state in December 2019 to delimit the 9 newly constituted districts within a period of 3 months only. However, the state had taken more than 18 months to conclude the same and sought for 6 more months to conduct the election. In yesterday's hearing, senior advocate P.S. Narasimha, appearing for the Election Commission of India (ECI), informed the court that the 4 months are required to complete the local bodies election that were to be held in the state. However, this was initially opposed by the court. Your tenure ended in 2018 and 19. Even the delimitation was imposed to be done in the 4 months, but instead of 18 months has passed. Hold the election by the August 31. We are aware of the ground reality. It is a political party who are not ready to conduct the election. In response to this, Narasimha submitted that the COVID-19 pandemic had disrupted the process and sought for more time. His asserted was supported by the senior advocate P. Wilson, appearing for the state, who stated that the efficiency for the administration is not in question. Your lordship, Tamil Nadu has a high number of cases. It is a healthy issue. Noting that COVID-19 has become a good excuse for all matters, the court stated that the holding of election was constitutionally obligation that has to be followed. However, the bench proceeded to grant the time till September 15 of 2021 to conclude the election. We grant extension of time till 15 September 2021 to complete the entire process, including publication, notification of election schedule and the result thereof before 15 September 2021. As the constitution mandate to conduct the election in the time-bound manner, it cannot be defended in this manner, the court recorded. In the December 2019 order, a Supreme Court bench of former Justice of India S.A. Bobde and S. Abdul Nazir and Sanjeev Khanna has disposed of the PIL public interest litigation by issuing direction to the respondent that the impeding election to all wards and offices were to be conducted relying on the 2011 census irrespective of the manner of the seat after the delimitation exercise. The time that is given to be carried delimit exercise has been fixed at 3 months only. Thank you.